Today I'm going to share with you people some tips so that you can improve English language. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. There are two kind of people. Some they are ready to learn English grammar, other they are not ready to learn English grammar. They say that learning grammar is not important. Some they say that it's important but it's very difficult. So what do you think? Do you also find learning grammar is very difficult? Or do you feel that without learning grammar you can speak English language? My friend, I have answer for both. First, if you want to learn English language without learning grammar, so it's possible. Yes. But for that, you need to spend a lot of time. Plus, you should keep yourself in English speaking environment. Yes, you heard me right. Then you can learn English language. Otherwise, if you are like me from village area or you don't have environment, then you need to work on your grammar. Or else, you won't be able to speak this language fluently. What does it mean fluency? Have you ever asked to yourself? Speaking very fast and making a lot of mistakes? No. No matter how you are speaking, sometimes it's okay to speak little faster, sometimes it's okay to speak little slower, but we need to speak, I think, correct English. That's called fluency. If you are able to convey your message to other people without making a lot of mistakes, then that is called fluency, right? It doesn't mean that you need to be perfect, but it means that people they should understand your message. People they should understand what you are trying to say to them, right? Because it's a language, and what a language does, it's work as a bridge. It connects two people thought, it connects one thought with many people, right? When we give a speech, so many people listen, or when someone is giving a speech, so we listen and we learn, right? So how we learn? Because we understand. What if you are not able to understand? It means there could be two reasons. One, your English is not good. Another, that person is not speaking right? It happens. We don't understand sometime when someone is not speaking right. And in other case, when our English is not good or when we don't understand English, in that condition also we don't understand what others are saying. So what I want to tell you that if you have environment, then don't waste your time for learning grammar. Okay, you can speak this language, because I have seen many people speaking English language fluently without learning grammar a lot. And I have seen many children, they do, they listen from their parents and they start speaking English language. They take this language as a language. Okay, but we have grown up and it will take time to learn for us. And for that reason, if we don't have environment, we need to work on our grammar. And if we have environment, then there is no need to waste our time, right? So if you are someone and you have environment, then be happy, because you are going to learn English language without putting much effort, without learning grammar and all, right? But if you are someone and you don't have environment, then my friend, you need to do hard work. You should learn grammar. Yeah, it's okay. We feel it's very difficult. Didn't I feel? Oh, I also felt, I felt that grammar was very difficult for me. I didn't want to learn it. And you won't believe, when I was in my school and even in my college, I couldn't learn grammar, okay? Because I felt that it was very difficult. Even I couldn't learn proper way tenses. I was thinking, how many tenses are there? My teacher, they couldn't teach us, I think, all the grammar. I think they taught, but I couldn't understand, okay? So many reasons were there. But once I sat at my home and I started learning, then I learned it. And still there are a lot of topics that I have to work on it. And then I will think, okay, grammar is very deep, right? But we need to learn some basic grammar to speak English language fluently. So if you are someone like me who doesn't have environment, then my friend, you should learn grammar. And I told you that initially it feels very difficult, but once you start learning it, you will start align with this grammar and with this language especially. There is one great example which is related to water. So before I give you an example, I want to ask you one question. Have you ever taken bath into river? If you haven't, then you may not understand, but if you have ever taken bath into the river, then you will definitely understand. Not only in river, but even in the pond, or in swimming pool also. See, when we try to enter in that, then we feel fear because water will be cold, right? And especially in winter season, we feel it will be very cold. We hesitate to put our feet also into the water. But once we plunge into water, then after some minute, our body start aligned with water. That's the physics. Same thing happen with any situation in life. uh, it could be your job or anything. Initially it seems it's very difficult, but once you plunge into that and start working, then gradually your body start aligned with that situation, with that environment, right? So it's very hard to accept this language because we have been already speaking our mother tongue, right? But once we start doing it, gradually I told you that our English will start improving, and our body, our mind, everything will start accepting this language, and then we'll start speaking this language fluently. So if you have been struggling to learn grammar, then don't worry, my friend. It will not remain the same. The line I always share with you, if you work on grammar, then definitely you will start speaking this language. Definitely one day your grammar will improve. But initially you are going to make a lot of mistakes. Initially you will feel fear. You will feel that it's very difficult. But once you start and you keep doing with consistency, you will feel that your grammar will improve, or you will see that your grammar will improve, your English will improve, and you will become a fluent English speaker. Okay? This thing happened with me. I also felt that it was very difficult, but now I speak this language, right? How did I do it? Because I did it with consistent practice. In your case also, you need to do practice with consistency, then everything will be easy. So this is the thing which I wanted to share with you. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.